You might have noticed that writing an email in Shortwave feels faster, like really fast, almost like chat. There are a lot of features packed into Shortwave's tiny but mighty compose box. I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Shortwave's smart editor to write better emails faster that look great in every email client. To start a new, completely blank draft, hit the compose button in the top left, or if you're a keyboard shortcut kind of person, just press C. Here's where you can add recipients. When doing so, it will bring up your past conversations with that specific person or group that you've added, just like what you're used to seeing in other chat apps like iMessage. You can scroll up to view your conversation history, so you have context on the last email you sent while drafting your new one. Any drafts you have will show up under the Conversations area in the sidebar for easy access. Below, you can also see the people you've recently sent messages to. If you're looking for some more screen real estate, you can also tuck this guy away for some extra space while you focus on your writing. Now, back to our draft. You can optionally add a subject line and then hop to the compose box to actually draft your message. Let's say you start writing, but you realize you wanted to add another person to this thread. You could click or press Shift-Tab to go back to the To field, but the fastest way to do this is actually by using a mention. To add someone to your email, use a plus mention simply by typing the plus key and then someone's name or email address. You can remove someone from a thread with a minus mention, or send a teammate a push notification for urgent messages with an @ mention. Mentions work both for individuals and channels. It's just like adding or removing people from the To, CC, and BCC fields, but with shorthand and directly in your message. Cool. So now that we know who this email is going to, let's actually write and format a message. This menu has all the basic formatting you can apply by highlighting text and clicking on an option, but it's actually much quicker to use Markdown text shortcuts. Markdown is a simple syntax you can use to apply formatting right as you type, without using your mouse. You can use the pound key to create headers, asterisks for bold and italics, and lists as well. Bonus, you can even add inline code and code blocks. And while it's not Markdown, one other handy shortcut is using Command V to paste any URL you have copied on your clipboard to auto-link text. In addition to basic formatting, Shortwave also has some other fun features to add a little more personality to your message. You can add emojis with the colon key, and you can even add GIFs with this magic button. Just type to search and pick your fave. In addition to GIFs, Shortwave supports other media too. You can click here to add attachments, or use the shortcut Command-Shift-A. You can also drag and drop to attach files and easily add inline images. Look how beautiful our email is now. Whether you're sending a short message to a friend or a longer, more formal email to your team, Shortwave's smart editor helps you write better emails faster. And if you'd like to learn more about other ways Shortwave can make your email more enjoyable, check out our resources and more at shortwave.com/docs.